Okay, so we're going to need to change the widgets a little bit so that it'll have some fields that we didn't have before, right? For instance, we need private string, we need type, okay, we need, what else do we need? We need text. What else do we need? Private, let's see. Um, Actually, let me change this a little bit. Java, why are you not, okay, client, React. Okay, let me change that like that. All right, excellent. Now I can swap back and forth. We have ordered. We want it to be Boolean, right? So this we could say Boolean, ordered. Well, let's see, what do you need? Okay, we got type, we got ordered, we got text, we got ID, we got text size. So size an integer. So we'll say size here. We'll say private integer size. What else do we need? I think that's it, right? Okay. Plus, we need to create all the setters and getters. So we can say code generate the setters and getters at the bottom. All right, so select all of them. Say OK. Okay, they were generated. Very good. And we can restart the server. If we restart the server, hopefully it'll create all the other fields that were not there originally, right? So let's restart the server. I have it, I think, running from here. Let's stop it here. Let's do a Maven clean install. Ideally, what we'll see is an alter, right, that's going to add all these new fields that were not there before. Okay, there it is. So it's altering the widgets table, right, adding all those columns. You saw them, right? It added a size column, an order column, a text column, right? And if we go back to our SQL, we can see that the create statement, if we refresh and look at widgets and send the create statement here, notice that now we have all those fields that were not there before, right? And if we do a query on the widgets, we'll see that the all widgets are still there, right? All the titles, but all the others are null because we don't have values for them. Yes, right? But we can now say that this is maybe this is a list widget number one. It's ordered, and the text is item 1. What do we use for delimiting? Was it new line? I think so, right? Item 2, new line, item 3. And the type is what? What was it that we were using? Here we were using what? List, right? The type is list. So list. Okay, let's create now maybe a, what was the other one? Heading. Heading. Size is 2. Text is heading 1, 2, 3. And the type is heading. So this is a paragraph. So the text is paragraph 1, 2, 3, and the type is paragraph. Paragraph. Let's apply. Oops. What am I missing? Ordered. Data too long for ordered. Go back. Ordered. Ordered is 1. Oh, ordered is supposed to be just a number. So apply. No. What else? Task, blah, 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 blah. Go back. What are you complaining about? Order is 1. Text is yada, yada, yada. List ID is 1. What is wrong with my update? Text paragraph. Yeah, but it's represented as a small int. You know, it's a 0 or 1. So 1 is presumably is true, but maybe not. Let me take it out for now. Let's apply. Still nothing. Let's do one at a time. Oh wait, some of them were able to update. Okay, so a couple of them were. Sorry, order was able to fix. size heading. Oh, it looks like it actually worked, didn't it? Paragraph. Apply. Okay, some of them worked, some of them didn't. Okay, excellent. So let's make sure that we can retrieve it from our client. Where are you? Where's the okay, there it is. So if we refresh and we don't have the server running, let's restart the server. Really, we don't have the server running? Let's okay, we recompiled it. We recompiled it here, but we can run it from here. So that we can see and make sure that it is coming back correctly. Let's refresh. Okay, there's our widgets, right? We have the items, we have our headings. Oh, we have a double. Maybe that's not going to work, huh? Heading. Okay. Anyway, so it looks like we have some data, right? So let's see if we can use it to render our widgets, right? So let's go back to our client here, and the way the reducer is going to be notified is how? Is through the container, right? The container is going to do this widget, all widgets, find all widgets. Yes. We saw that we have the widgets right here. Yes, right there. So what we're going to do is that we're going to take that widget. We're going to take those widgets and we're going to call the dispatcher. Say, hey, dispatcher. Right? I'm going to create an action of type find all widgets with the jets. Okay? And we're going to say that the widgets are the widgets that came back from the server. See that? Now I'm sending that to the reducer. Right? Now the reducer is going to have that in the action. Right? The reducer is going to have that in the action. So if we go to the reducer, we can now create a case here that says case if you see find excuse me find all widgets, right? We're going to return widgets. It's going to be what? It's going to be in the action widgets. See that? Right? Those widgets. And got a typo here. All right, let's go back and let's refresh. And I believe it actually worked. There it is. It's heading 1, 2, 3. Yes, right. And to prove that this is actually working, I can go back and change this and say that this is heading 2, 3, 4. Paragraph. This is actually working, and save that and close that. If I refresh, we have the paragraph. This is actually working, right? So basically, we went the whole loop, right? We went the client, the component notifies the container. The container notifies, sorry, the component notifies the container. The container goes and fetches the data from the server. The server retrieves it from the data, instantiates the list, comes back to the container, right? And then it dispatches it to the reducer. The reducer puts it in the state, and then the state is then mapped into the widget's state variable into the component, and the component just iterates over it. Make sense? All right, excellent.